All right, Chris Zaldane here to show you just how easy it is to mount a Minn Kota Talon shallow water anchor. I have my 2019 Skeeter FX20, 250 Yamaha SHO. In between the two, I've got a 12-inch hydraulic Atlas jack plate, and that's what I'm going to be mounting the starboard side 8-foot Minn Kota Talon on. And we start out with a Minn Kota side-mounted jack plate adapter bracket. Make sure when you're installing yours, you have the correct part number, the correct adapter that goes with your boat and your jack plate. So let's get right into this here. In the kit, the adapter kit, we're going to start out with this piece right here. This solid piece of aluminum mounts onto the side of the jack plate. So it's a really good idea to use the anti-seize lubricant that comes with the kit. That way, you know, when you're tightening down the stainless on stainless nuts and bolts, you got a nice lubrication there, and you won't have any seizing issues. Okay, once this first piece is connected to your jack plate, nice and cinched down there, we'll move to the second piece, which is going to be this guy right here. I'm just going to slide this on top of piece number one, and it provides us a nice little offset here. Okay, that's step two. And the third piece on the side adapter bracket is going to be the smaller piece that actually mounts to the Talon itself. So I'll go ahead and line this up. Okay, that looks good. We're nice and parallel here and here. Don't forget the anti-seize. And that is rock solid there. And that's it for the side adapter bracket. Now it's ready for the actual Talon itself. Just unbox the 8-foot Talon here. It's got the mounting bracket already installed on it. It's worth noting that I changed the angle here. I already did the port side, so I know the angle, which angle I need. So basically undid these nuts here and then changed the angle 4 holes over. That way I get the correct vertical angle for these. So I did that, and I also installed the water deflector plate. Real simple, it's just 2 screws that go in like so. Pull the plastic off, and from here we'll just hold it up to the side bracket, line it up. Okay, that's finger tight, and I can just let it relax. So I'll just step back, and if it's off just a little bit, I'll move it left to right, and then from there I'll go ahead and cinch it down. And that looks straight. Simple. That's one of the things about a Minn Kota Talon is there's no hydraulic fluid in this system. It's just as simple as connecting a 12-volt battery to these wires here, and from there you got your wireless remote, or you can manually deploy or retract the stake, the actual anchor itself. So we'll just go ahead and get a couple zip ties, and I like using these little square feet here. They're just 2-sided tape, little square feet. And I like sticking them along the side plate here and along the transom, where I could zip tie straight to that little square, and that way I have a nice clean installation. And once these wires are in my bilge area, I could hook them up to my battery, and I'm ready to go. I just ran the power wire across the mounting bracket, through the side bracket here, using those little squares. And it's just a real nice clean setup. Normally I'll run this power wire in through this clamshell on the back of the Skeeter here into the bilge area to the battery. I have it hooked up here, and let's test this thing out. So we'll hit this light button here, and there we go. We've got the lights going. Down button, and there you go. The Talon is working.